In today's video, I'm going to go over step by step and guide you on how to turn a percent into a fraction. All right, let's get started on the first of 4 problems. And if you make it until the end, I'll have a bonus problem for you and you can leave your answer in the comments. Let's first talk about what is a percent. A percent literally means per 100. Percentages are ratios that compare a quantity to 100. So for example, 9% means 9 per 100. So you'd literally write it like 9 over 100. So it can be written as that fraction, 9 over 100, or you can write it as a decimal as 0.09. That's what a percent is, percent per 100. All right, let's start off with the first problem, 24%. 24% is 24 per 100, or 24 over 100. Now, 24 over 100, you can leave it as that, or you can also reduce it into a more simplified fraction. 24 over 100 can be simplified and reduced to 6/25. So 24% as a fraction could be written as either 24 over 100 or 6 over 25. 24 hundredths or 6/25. All right, let's move on to the second problem. 53%. Now 53%, remember, percent per 100. 53 over 100. Now that can't be reduced or simplified. 53 is a prime number, so it shares no common factors with 100 because the only factors of 53 are 1 and 53, and 100 isn't divisible by 53. So you would just leave 53% as 53 over 100. Look at that. We're already on the third problem. 91%. 91% can be written as 91 over 100 because it's 91%, 91 per 100. Now, 91 is not prime, even though a lot of people tend to believe it's prime. Its factors of 1, 7, 13, and itself 91, none of those numbers, 100 isn't divisible by 1, 7, or 13, or 91. So you would also leave 91% as just 91 over 100, and you wouldn't simplify or reduce that. All right, let's move on to the last problem here. 88%. 88%, 88 per 100 can be written as 88 over 100. Now, with 88 over 100, you want to find a common factor with 88 and 100. The easiest way to think about that too is that they're both even numbers, so you could divide them both by 2. And if you divide them both by 2, you do 88 divided by 2, you get 44 for the numerator. 100 divided by 2, you'd get 50. 44 50ths. 44 and 50 are also even numbers. It's 22. 50 divided by 2 is 25, and you end up with 22 25ths. Now looking at that, since you divided them by 2 and then divided by 2 again, you can recognize that, well, I could have just divided them both by 4 to begin with, but also cutting them in half and cutting them in half again, that is a strategy that also works. So 88%, 88 per 100, can be written as 88 over 100, or you could reduce it down to 22 25ths. Now it's time for the bonus problem. It's your answer in the comments. Here it is. 32%. How would you write 32% as a fraction? Leave your answer in the comments below. If this is the first time you're here for one of these videos, welcome. Thank you. Please take a moment, share, like, subscribe,